How to add your Hilton owner's number to a reservation on Hilton. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In the official article of Hilton, you'll find how to add a Hilton owner's number. As it says, at check-in, in the front desk team can add your Hilton owner's number account to your number reservation when you arrive at the hotel. For reservation made at Hilton Partnership Properties, you must contact Hilton directly. Also, after you stay, if you've already completed your stay, you can still link your reservation. You can go to the page and click on your stays at the top. After you click on your stays here, you can simply click on the stay and add your owner's number. And this is how to add your Hilton owner's number to a reservation on Hilton. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.